Can we get into this beautiful water wave wig? The lace is giving peel scalp. The curls are giving beachy waves, curly vibes. I was all for it. Thanks to Asteriahair, this ready to go 5 times 5 lace closure wig is so bomb. Let's get into the details of this wig. Hey there, Asteriahair. So Asteriahair went ahead and sent me this beautiful wig. It came in this turquoise blue box. I don't know, it's blue green, okay? Inside the box comes this beautiful, ready to wear curly water wave wig. It also came a satin bag, and inside the satin bag came with some goodies. And when I say goodies, you know what I mean. Goodies for the hair. Now they sent me a edge brush comb. They also sent me two duck clips. I use these when I curl hair. Then they also sent me some lashes. They got to do better with their lashes, okay? And then they sent me their melt edge band. You use that to melt your wig, and then they sent me the HD cap. This wig is 22 inches long, HD lace, and of course my cap size is small. This is how the wig comes in the bag, pre-ready to wear for your easy convenient, okay? Look at the beautiful curls right out of the box. I absolutely love this water wave hair texture. Now, right out of the packaging, the lace is giving scalp, okay? You can barely see this lace, okay? HD lace. The parting space is nice, wide, and deep. The hairline is pre-plucked, so the T is giving realness right out of the box. And the curls, listen, can we get into the curls? The curls is it. The curls are so bomb. The curls is water wave hair texture, okay? The quality is so soft, it's giving luxury vibe. Inside of the wig, the knots come pre-bleached for you, so you do not have to bleach the knots. It comes with an elastic band already attached, so you do not have to add your own elastic band. It comes with 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the back, and of course it comes with your adjustable scribes. Like I said, this wig is ready to wear, so I'm just adding a little bit of foundation to the lace, and then we're going to pop her on. Right out of the box, this is how she looks. Can you see her? She is ready to be worn, okay? She is ready to be worn. Like I said, you can barely see the lace. If you look closely, you can barely see that lace. This HD lace is so soft, it's so transparent. It looks so beautiful before I even cut it off. The curls is giving everything, okay? The curls is so pretty right out of the box. Okay, Asteriahair. The wig is full, is 200 density. The quality of the hair is extremely soft, and the curl parter is so pretty. Look at that curls. Just look at the volume. Look at the thickness, the fullness of this wig. And this is right out of the box before I even cut the lace. So like I said, this wig is truly ready to wear wig. Like the lace, everything is so beautiful. the hairline is giving, I'm ready to wear, okay? But we just gonna get into laying this lace and giving this wig a little bit of style. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is just cut off the lace, okay? Like you can see, this is a HD lace, okay? And when I tell you it's seamless, you cannot see the lace. This HD lace is so soft, it melts right into my skin tone. I was so impressed with the quality of this HD lace. The hairline is pre-plucked. It looks really natural. You can wear it without baby hair if you choose to, but this is a curly hair, and I think curly hair looks better with baby hair. That's just my personal opinion. So I'm going to go ahead and give myself some baby hair in the front. After making my baby hair on both sides, I went ahead and cut the baby hair a little bit more. Not a little bit more. I cut the baby hair a little bit shorter so the baby hair looks a little bit more natural. Using my pair of scissors, I went ahead and cut the baby hair shorter. Then I used my tiny flat iron to curl the baby hair in the front. Once you curl the baby hair in the front, it just makes the baby hair easy to lay down once you try to style it, okay? So curling your baby hair is a great option for anyone who's to learning how to lay your baby hair down. Curl your baby hair first, okay? So after um, curling my baby hair, I just took a little bit of um, got to be gel and I slicked down my baby hair. And of course, after slicking it down, I just took a little bit of foundation and clean up my part a little bit more just so it looks really, really open nicely and wider. And after that, I just went ahead and put my hair in a ponytail just so I can put my elastic band on. After I put my hair in a ponytail, I went ahead and used the melt band for Asteria wig and tie my lace down in the front. While I wait for my lace to melt, I went ahead and took some leave-in conditioner in a bottle, mix it with some water, and I spray the curls down. I just wanted to hydrate the curls a little bit more. This is Design Essential um, leave-in conditioner, but I did add a little bit of water in it before spraying the hair there. This just gonna hydrate the curls, makes the curls a little bit more defined, just make the curls get looks wet, and it just makes the curls look really, really pretty once you spray the wig down. One thing about curly hair, the more you wet it down, the more you add water, the more defined the curls will be. I wanted the hair to look big, but not extremely wet. So I just hydrated it a little bit. Then I took my band off, and you can see that melt. This hair is so pretty, absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous curls. It was giving everything it needed to give, and I was so excited about the outcome of this beautiful wig. All right, y'all. So this is pretty much it for this beautiful, gorgeous, ready to wear 5x5 lace closure, HD lace closure wig. This wig is from Exterior Hair. I absolutely love the finished results of these beautiful curls. I will leave all the links for Exterior Hair down in the description box if you guys want to check it out. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I will catch you all in my next video. Bye.